If Microsoft Edge is giving you error 431, that usually means there's a problem with the request headers, cookies, or cache data in your browser. The good news is that this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help get Edge working again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy step-by-step guides. First, try opening the website in the new private window. In Microsoft Edge, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and choose New in Private Window. This gives you a clean browsing session without using your normal cookies, cached login data, or saved site information. Once the private window opens, go back to the website that was showing error 431 and test it again. If the site works in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is being caused by stored browser data in your regular session. If the error still shows up, the next step is to clear your browsing data. To do that, click the 3-dot menu again, go to Settings, and then open Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data, then click Choose what to clear. Make sure to select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These are the most common things that can cause error 431 because they can become outdated or corrupted over time. After selecting the options, choose the time range you want to clear. If you're not sure, selecting all time is usually the most effective option. Then click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. After that, restart Microsoft Edge and try the website again. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache is enough to fix the issue immediately. But if you're still seeing the same error, there's one more thing to check, and that's your browser extensions. Go to the Edge Extensions page by clicking the menu, then selecting Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. On this page, you'll see a list of all installed extensions. Some extensions can interfere with websites, inject extra data into requests, or cause browser conflicts that lead to error 431. To test this, toggle off all extensions one by one, or disable them all at once if possible. Once they're turned off, go back to the website and try loading it again. If the site starts working after disabling extensions, then one of those add-ons is the cause. At that point, you can turn them back on one at a time to find the exact extension that's creating the problem. That way you don't have to remove everything, just the one that's causing the conflict. So to recap, the 3 main fixes for Microsoft Edge error 431 are: first, test the site in a private window. Second, clear cookies and cache from the browsing data menu. And third, disable all extensions from the extensions page. These steps solve the problem in most cases and are the fastest way to get your browser back to normal. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more browser fix tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.